Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Have you ever been working on a project and you just don't have the right screwdriver for the job? Well, IRONCUBE has totally solved that for me with this screwdriver bit set that's also ratcheting. This screwdriver set is so useful because it has so many different kinds of bits. It has the ordinary ones like the Phillips head, and it has the flat head, and it makes it easy just to change them out in between whatever project you're working on. But it has even unique type of screwdriver bits like this star-shaped one that we had to find something to fit. And then the screw on our bed had this hex-shaped screw, so it was so nice that this bit set had the exact size that we needed in order to tighten up that screw. And I was excited that it had a smaller screwdriver with small bits to fit in things as tiny as the screws for sunglasses. And my husband liked how it had a ratcheting set that was easy to change out from the screw bits to the ratcheting, which is great because now when we have projects around the house, I know who to look for. And IRONCUBE made it so easy to be able to change out the bits in between the projects because in the back of the screwdriver, they have a little compartment where you can store those little bits. Another thing that my husband really likes is the size of the screwdrivers, because when he travels on a plane and takes a carry-on, he can only take tools that are 7 inches and under. So if you're tired of looking for the right screwdriver for the right project, I definitely recommend this set, and that is just my point of view.